We're going to review the toys based on 7 qualities, and those 7 qualities are smell, choking hazard, noise potential, sturdiness, is it messy, and ease of use right out of the box.
It's not messy.
So nope, this one's not too messy. So this one is the insect game, and it has beautiful Chinese writing on the side of it, which you'll be able to see right here. I absolutely love this game. It's excellent for hand-eye coordination, excellent for kids. This game's fun. Toby really likes this game. Okay, the first one we're gonna open up is the strawberry. Okay, let's see, smell. Has new smell. Not for kids. Not for kids 3 and under. It comes with a magnetic stick so that you can pull them out. There's 10 caterpillars. I like this one.
Don't get a green one.
Excellent for hand-eye coordination. Has colors.
No.
That's it though. These are choking hazard. Rule of thumb is if it fits inside a toilet paper roll, it is a choking hazard. And it can, these caterpillars can fit inside the toilet paper roll. So I not recommend this for kids that put them in toys in their mouths or children 3 and under.
And 4.
You're 4. Do you put it in your mouth?
No.
No, that's right. So we also have the apple.
Get apple.
Okay. Noise. These don't make noise. Whoa, careful.
Yes, I do.
These don't make noise. This is the apple. Coming right up. Yep. It just has that new product smell. That's it. But it definitely is noise potential. Is a 10. Because if you're a kid, they're gonna whack it. It's like an apple, yeah. Okay, so we'll put these back. Let's see, sturdiness. This bad boy is sturdy. This is wood. This is a hard plastic. Compared to a diamond, I would say this is a 7, you know, compared to a diamond.
I'm gonna call this
It's not wood. You can see that there's plastic around it. All of these caterpillars are wood, and you can tell that the magnets are attached to, or the metal is attached to the wood, and you can see the cute little painted eyes. This is adorable. I really like this toy. Messy. I wouldn't call it messy, but it does have pieces, so I still give it a 3 for that. When it comes to ease of use, you can use this thing right out of the box. So this is super easy. I give this toy a 9. This is a very nice toy. I like it. What do you think? A thumbs up. I give it a 9. This is a very nice toy. I highly recommend this toy. Okay. If there are other toys that you would like to see reviewed or other products that you recommend, please follow me on Facebook, follow me on YouTube. My links are all down below. You can just check them out. Every Wednesday we are going to be reviewing a product and posting it on Facebook and YouTube. So please follow us and check out our website, www.kthornstore.com. Follow us on social media, right? Okay, thank you. See you soon.